They finally made a shop to earn some money. Oh my god, a toy shop! What the? Did she just interrupt us? That was rude. No, maybe she just saw the shop and didn't hear us. Yeah, true. Okay. Yeah, I overthought. Okay, let's see what's inside the shop. Oh, so many toys. I only have 100,000 toys. I need more toys. I only have 100,000 toys. I need more toys. What? She has 100,000 toys? I don't even have 5 toys. I have like 6. No, I have like 3 toys. Yeah, I have like 2. Oh my god, you have less than me. Yeah, how does she have so many? Like 100,000? I don't even have 5. That's so weird. Hey camera, why are you showing us? Show her, not us. Okay, time to buy some things. Oh, the light is so bright here. Let me go turn it off. Much better. And let me put my wallets inside there. Over there. Oh no, someone turned the light back on. Much better. Much better. Okay, let's buy some stuff now. I'm wasting my time. Oh, ow. So many things here. What should I buy? What should I buy? What should I buy? What's that? Nothing. I'm gonna go check on the customer. No, you don't have to. Hey, girl. Oh, she's right over there. I think she can't see me. Did I hear something? No. What should I buy? Ooh, a puppet. It's a cactus one. Let's try it. Odd. I like it. I guess I'll buy this. It's really nice. And rainbow. You didn't see that. And rainbow. Forget about that hole over there. I like it. I'm gonna buy it. Should I buy this puppet? I don't think I like it. But I still like it, but I don't think I like it. But I like it, but I don't think I like it. But I like it, but I don't think I like it. But I like it, but I don't think I like. Who is turning off and on the lights? That's not me. They finally stopped. Ah! It's too bright. I can't see anything. Oh no. I can't see anything. Too bright. Much better. What are they doing? Okay, sorry. I'm gonna put this pot in my basket. I mean my shopping cart. Or my wallet. Let's put my wallet on the side. I want to buy some fidgets now. I bought a puppet. Now let's buy a fidget. I can buy 2 in 1, a puppet and a fidget. But I don't think they have so many puppets and fidgets. Look at that. Puppet, fidget. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, let's see them. This is puppets. This is how we pop it. So cool. Look at this. Pop. Pop. That's so cool. Look. Whoa. I love this. So and the other one. But I wish I had this. I wish I had like a puppet ball, but they don't have those here. Where in the world does this come from? Anyway, it is a puppet fidget, so let's see it. So that's cool. Okay, I'm gonna buy this too, and this puppet ball, and another puppet ball, and 2 puppet spinners. This one is nice. I like it, I guess. Why are the lights flicking again? Whatever, let me just ignore that now. So there's a puppet fidget spinner. This one is really loud. Not that loud. Okay. This is nice, okay. I'm gonna buy this and this one. This is nice. Oh, it's really hard. Whoa. I like it. I'll buy all of these. Whoa. They're not fitting inside greatly. Let me check over the walls if anyone's turning off the lights or on. Oh, I think I scared them. You scared me. Okay. Why is this thing? What is this thing? Can anyone tell me what this thing is? Let me see it. That's cool. Why is it following me? Stop following me! Oh, I think it's a security camera. Okay, sorry. Are you happy now? Okay. Okay. Where's Arna? Where's Arna? I'm here. Why are you there? I thought humans were supposed to be Arnas. Don't think about that. Okay. Why the camera following me again? I'll just ignore that again. This, and this. And this. Oh no, that's my wallet. Don't you dare take my wallet away from me. Okay, let's check. That'll be $50. Only? That's so cheap. Yep. Everything in here is cheap. Let's check my wallet.